Hey, what is going on? Cliff from Cliff Carter's Body Shop. My name is John Nicholas, and I'm with NGSO Marketing. Today, I'm shooting this video to show you 3 tips that you can use to help your online presence. If by the end of the video you like what you see, please feel free to reach out to me. But without further ado, let me get started. The first thing I want to talk to you about is content. When it comes to your website, you want to make sure you have an adequate amount of words, keywords, and pictures saved as keywords as well. When it comes to words, you want to have a minimum of 1,500 to 2,500 words on your main page, and then anywhere from 500 to 1,000 words on your sub pages. What this allows you to do is implement more keywords. And what a keyword is basically a search term that's being searched by customers who are looking for your services. The more keywords you have, the more search volume you guys will get found for as well. And when it comes to your pictures, you guys want to make sure that they're saved under keyword as well. This picture right here, let's see if it's saved under keyword. It's saved under the name of your company, so it's helping your company name be found as well. But if this was saved under a keyword, it will actually help you get ranked for that word as well. So that's why it's very important to save it under a keyword instead. That's it when it comes to the website aspect of it. The second thing I want to talk to you about is citations. What a citation is basically the name of your company as it is listed on Google, its address and phone number listed in directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, or Facebook. As you can see, your company is in the top spot in the GMB business in your area, which is good. That's a good place to be. That's where you want to be, especially you want to be in the organic section and the first page as well. Um, right here, and the way you will beat your competitors by duplicating their citations. But since you are on top, you want to keep adding those citations so that you make sure that they don't catch up to you as well. When it comes to the organic section of Google right down here, this gets affected by backlinks. That's the third thing I want to talk to you about. What a backlink is basically a link that links back to your website. The more backlinks you guys have, the more power your website will have as well. And not all backlinks are created equal. Some are more powerful than others, depending on how relevant they are to your content. If you have more powerful backlinks than your competitor, then you won't need as many as they have, and you will outrank them easily. I'm gonna take you over to this quick tool that I use called Ahrefs. So this is your company right here, Cliff Carter Body Shop. From here, it's telling me that you have no data here, but you have 3 referring domains and 6 backlinks, and this in turn is giving you an organic traffic of 0. And you are currently using 33 organic keywords, so that's 33 words that you're being found for. Um, and the information here is not completely accurate, but it's pretty up to date, and they're constantly always updating their information. Here's your competitor in the area, Brewer's Body Shop. As you can see, they have referring domains of 36 referring domains, giving them a total of 437 backlinks and an organic traffic of 419. So that's 419 customers that they're being getting each month. Right here it says the shop is in Memphis, Tennessee. I'm not sure how close that is to you, but that's one of the competitors for the auto body shop. But as you can see here, you can see how SEO work really affects your website. How many referring domains you got, how many backlinks you get, and in turn that will give you organic traffic of 419. So that's 419 people that they're getting each month by doing proper SEO. They have 371 keywords that they're being found for as well, and their UR is 21, which is basically how powerful the link is, and their trust with Google is 0. Um, like I said before, if any of this information interests you, please feel free to reach out to me. If you have any questions, reach out to me as well. But this is what SEO work could do for your website as well, and help you get more customers to the door each month. Thank you, and thank you so much for giving me your time.